this is the car park, right? Good morning, guys. Today I'll be visiting this place named as Ticknock Hill, and it's a nice sunny day today, and I hopefully think it will be an easy trek, but let's find out. It was just like half an hour from my place. This one is the main car park, if you can see, and from that way we'll be going for the trek for the Ticknock Hill. So let's see how this goes. So as you can see, there are like different maps, and अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे जाएंगे 3 rocks के यहाँ पे, and I'll see if I can go to the fairy castle today itself. But let's see, let's check out. Look at this. This looks so scenic and so cinematic. Wow. Just like a scene from a scary movie. Basically, Ticknock Hill is like a 1.5 to 2.5 hours of trek to the top, and from the city you can either take a bus or come by a car over here. It takes around like 30-45 minutes to reach here, and there are plenty of parking over here for cars. Also, like if anyone is interested in taking bikes, can take a bike from the down car park, one at the lower side. Look at this. So nice. So as you can see, like there are a number of trees which are like cut and uprooted, but I can see over there that they are removed and then replanted as per this board over here. So this is nice. Also, this coming through this route is a bit dangerous. Like you can see, there are trees fallen, so they have signs like not to enter that side. So even we won't be going there. But it looks lovely. Look at this. Let's go. Like a jungle over there. It's very dense and very dark, like a scary movie. So as you can see, there's some views of the Dublin City over there, and here is the trek. So we came all the way from there, There is a concrete road, so you need not worry. It's a moderate trek. So मैं एक पॉइंट पे खड़ा हूँ and as you can see there are some dense trees over there and it looks really nice, like there is some effect on those trees naturally which is happening. I don't know if you can see, but I can see that. Looks lovely. And now it will take like 20 to 25 minutes to reach at the top, so let's see. This route is also famous for like people who like biking, so it's called as the MTB trails. So people bring their bikes and do a nice trail from here on their bike. So it looks so scary over there, as you can see. Nice view also. Hi. So you can see people are like bringing their bikes, and bikes mean cycle over here. So we still have to go to the top. Let's see. Road is nice. We are not going through the woods. I would definitely recommend anyone to do this trek. The views are lovely over here. Lots of trees and dense forest. Look at this. Looks so scary. As you can see, this is one electric pole, and I think we have reached the location named as Three Rocks in here. And you can see some spectacular views of Dublin from here. Look at that. There is Poolbeg Lighthouse. I don't know if you can see, I can see it. Also, like, there is one place from here. I think this is also one route through which like people come for the trek, but I'll come here some other day from here. Right now मैं एकदम like top पे बैठा हूँ, and I'll just show you the view from here. Look at this, so lovely. And I just came up using the concrete road and not by the actual trek, so maybe next time I'll use that way to come to the top. Abhi ke liye, like, this feels good on a weekend. I feel at such places like I feel peaceful.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद मुझे एक बात समझ आई, that there is nothing better than just sitting down quietly and realizing how blessed you are.
look at these views. There you can see the Dublin City, the pullback. There is an island also I think over there. And yeah, the views are really amazing. Definitely come over here with your family and friends. I would recommend it. And right now it's getting a bit rainy, so I'll be heading back home. It's very cold over here. I'll come here some other day on a sunny day, hopefully. So as you can see, this route is for the ferry castle one, and from here you can go to the top of that mountain over there, where you can find that ferry castle. Hi guys, so I'm done for this thing today, and it's getting really windy now. It's really cold, so I'll be going to the ferry castle one later on, maybe some other day. So right now I'll be heading home back, and yeah, that's it. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.
This visit to Ticknock was definitely worth it. The bright shining morning, the bypassers on the trail, the spring colors were all welcoming. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please do like this video and let me know your views in the comments. Also, for more such content, please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.